Hi. In this video, we will create our first bike. So, after you import your meshes, go to the Blueprints folder and find this main bike rig blueprint. Please never move, edit, copy, or duplicate this blueprint because, with every update I release, this file will be overwritten. To create bikes that can adapt to the next updates, we need to create child blueprints from this one. To do that, right-click on it and click on Create Child Blueprint class. Name it whatever you want and move it wherever you want. Let's open it. If it opens like this, just click on Open Full Blueprint Editor. I'll go to the Viewport tab to see my bike as I set it up. And let's also bring a content browser here. First, find and select the body component from the components list. Drag your body mesh to its mesh input. And it is set now. Let's see this thing from the right view. Next, select the steering handle and do the same. I will move and rotate it how I need it to be. I repeat the same for the wheels. Let's move the rear wheel a bit back. And move the body a bit higher. And move the front wheel in a way that its pivot is aligning with the steering handle axis. I will zoom out a bit so this Z arrow goes into the steering handle for better judgment. You should move the parts bit by bit until the overall assembly looks right. After you're happy with it, compile and save. We're done now with the main parts. We will cover the extra connector and suspension parts in the next video. For now, let's bring a bike into the level to check it. I'll also drag one of these vibrating platforms from the Blueprints folder inside the demo level folder. And as you can see, everything is working fine. We can see that the front wheel moves in the steering handle axis, just the way it should be. I will change the steering handle angle so you guys can see this better. That's it for this video. Let's set up the suspension parts in the next one.